So today we are at Alta Lakes. This is a new DR Horton subdivision. And we're gonna go get some design inspiration from DR Horton today. All right, guys, so now we are at the Destin. And we are going to go right into the front door. Now, I wonder if these pavers are something that you get. The pavers really can make your driveway and front porch area look really nice. So I do like this. They have the glass door. Ooh, this is more my style up in here. Look at the shiplap, you guys. Y'all know that's my style right there. All right, so this is the foyer. And this garage here, there's Vincent. Hardly working. All right, so to the right, we got 2 bedrooms. Oh, cute. Look at the green theme. So really neutral. This almost looks like the color I used to have in the office. And cute furniture. Look at this chair. Now that's cute. That is a cute little chair. A very cute corner chair. I like the floral theme in here. It's not very floral, more plant-like, but I think it's really cute. Yeah, that's nice. And they have the green valance up there. I hope you guys can see it. You probably, because the light is kind of shining in, but yeah, there it is. Got a green, and it's velvet, actually. Yeah, green velvet valance. All right. And look, these floors in here looks like tile. Nice. So the bathroom is kind of similar. This is different though. You get a looks like a nice marble countertop or granite countertop. Same theme with the curtains running all the way up. And this is another guest bedroom. Cute. This is more like kid friendly. I like the stripes. And then they have ceiling fans in their bedrooms, which is nice. If you're somebody like me that gets hot at night. Now that mirror is really nice. So again, guys, look, just a basic dresser. And then they have this mirror here. Let's show y'all the frame of it. Looks really cute. I like that. Yeah, the stripes and the green looks really good together. Yeah. And now we're going to take it into the dining room and great room, and wow. Ooh. I like this one a lot. So they ran the shiplap from the front door, from this whole wall here, all the way around to that wall over there, which really gives it that country vibe. Let me go over here so you guys can get a better view. So they have the dining room there. Dining room is nice. I like that bench. Y'all know I like that. Y'all know that's how my dining table is set up. But I like how long it is. I like that bench. It got 3 pictures on the wall there. Oh, that is nice. I like that. I really like these coffee tables. I really like those. That is nice. Nice, nice, nice. And the entertainment center. Oh yeah. You guys remember on my office tour video, I was telling you guys about the fiddle leaf fig tree. That is a fiddle leaf fig, and this is an artificial one, but those are the ones I was telling you guys can get pretty costly. So sometimes it's good to just get a real plant, because a real plant is actually cheaper than the artificial ones. This is kind of an overlook. The plaid patterns on the pillows really makes it feel really country and kind of rustic. Let's see how they did. Oh, okay. So this is how they did their seams. Okay. Then the dining area. Now this is a countertop. That is a huge countertop. Yeah, now I do like their cabinetry. I like the color. And these handles are nice. Really, really nice. Yeah, it's almost kind of like an off gray, because even the subway tile in the back, it's not white. It's more of a gray tone. It looks really good with those cabinets. So let me step back. So just in case you all are in the market for a newer updated kitchen and you wanted some color scheme ideas. So that is kind of a dark gray cabinets, silver pools. We have the white granite countertops and kind of like an off gray subway tile in the back. Then off the kitchen, they have the laundry room, which is, it's actually a really nice size laundry. I'm wondering, that might be, okay, it's your AC closet. And that one is locked. I think it might go to the garage. I'm not sure. Oh yeah, see, thank you, DR Horton. Somebody that did some cabinetry. Now listen, I don't know if this comes with the house. This is probably because it's the model, but the cabinets look so much better than the wire racks. But so I'm going back out. Oh, and look at the farmhouse style sink. It's really nice. All right, so let's go into this guest bedroom here. So this is like a whole guest side, because you have a bathroom. Got a bathroom. And the bathrooms are pretty much the same. And then this is a guest room. So the window balances is something that I see that really make a difference. And that's something that I don't have in my house. Maybe I'll try it in one room and see how I feel. Maybe putting some balances up. And then same thing, they just did an accent wall and just pulled in some complementary color furniture. Right now, over to the master. You guys, I don't want to pass this. That is a really nice lamp. And the end table, it almost kind of reminds you of like a bar cart. And then this is their covered patio area, which is it locked? There we go. So it's screened in patio. Really nice, you guys. So again, I hope you guys can see that it really doesn't take a whole lot. You find some pieces that you really like, do a couple of accent walls, and you are on your way to designing. So, all right, so let's go into the master. Ooh, ooh, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. That is what I'm talking about. Do you guys see that wall? You see that wall. See how much of a difference just adding some dimension, putting that that frame on the wall, how much it just adds dimension and style to the room. That is what I'm talking about. Yes. So this is cute. They got the two chairs over here in the bay window area. It's really nice. You guys, I'm sorry about the light. It's really bright in here, but yes, that looks nice. So they ran kind of like the sage green color throughout, but it looks really good in here. And then they have the tiered ceiling. And they did the color up along the tier as well. That looks good. Yeah, this is a nice size bedroom. Really nice size bedroom. Oh, look at this end table. That's gorgeous. I love these. Does this actually come out? Oh, I love these. And the lamp. I'm not mad at the green, at the sage at all. I wouldn't say green is like a color I would really think about as my go-to, but it actually works in here. I'm not mad at that color at all. Oh, and look at this bathroom and closet area. All right, so you have a long walk-in closet. That's really nice. You got a good sized closet. Here, I think this might be a linen. Yeah, nice linen closet. All right, so we have a nice stand-in glass shower there. This looks really nice. Again, nice. I believe these are granite countertops. Garden tub. Double sink area. So you can just really see the difference between this floor plan and the express home. You can tell the upgrades and everything, they really make a difference. They really make it look a little more classy, a little more designed. And this is the water hole. So yeah, you guys, I hope you guys got a little inspiration from this video. If you've never considered sage as an color of yours, maybe this would help you to consider it, because I actually really like it. I think that looks nice. But thank you guys for coming along with me today. And hopefully this gave you some design inspiration.